Hi there, this is the last video of this course. In this video, I will not teach you anything new. I just want to say thank you for watching all the videos of this course. I hope after watching all these videos, you have learned something new. Do you know how this will work? So you will learn something from here. If you will implement those changes, you will definitely break something in your application. Fix that. It is okay. So how do you grow? First you will learn, then you will implement, then you will break the things, and then you will fix them. To fix them, don't only think about only this course. There are several things that are coming new in modern technologies. Go with the official documentations. Use the ChatGPT or Copilot or whatever tool you are using and learn something new. Never stop your learning, always learn and implement, and that's how we will grow. Even after watching all these videos, if you have any feedback, questions or suggestions, feel free to ask them. I will be happy to hear your feedback and I'll be happy to reply on your questions. Now that is all in this course. Stay happy, keep learning, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching this course. Have a great time. Bye bye.